Standard 6th subject computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 6, knowing about formulas. The formula, most important feature of Excel, is its ability to do calculation quickly and accurately. To make calculation work, a formula is required, which has a reference of the cell address. A formula may consist of operators like plus, minus, multiplication and division. Cell addresses or values. Students always remember formulas start with an equal to sign. Suppose I'll give you one example. To find the sum of two numbers, you can enter the number 100 in A1 cell and enter the number to be added, for example 50 in A2 cell. Press enter key, equal to 100 plus 50, write down in A3 cell. Press the enter key and then immediately result will be displayed 150 in A3 cell. Now students, here for some we can use the numbers, but it is preferable to use a formula with the cell address. Now students, I give you a second example. Suppose you have been asked to calculate the total marks scored by a classmate. Enter number 65 in B2 cell. Enter 70 in C2 cell. Enter number 75 in D2 cell. Enter number 77 in E2 cell and enter number 57 in F2 cell. We first enter the formula. First, what students? Equal to sign. Then B2 plus C2, D2 plus E2 plus F2 in G2 cell and press the enter key. Now student, the total 354 is displayed in the same cell in your G2. Okay. The advantage of using a formula is that it can be applied to many more calculation. Now, for example, the total of all subject of all the children. If you want to find the Suruchi's total, click on the green box at the bottom corner of the result cell G2. A plus sign appears, which is called the field handle. Drag it down towards to the next cell G3. Automatically Suruchi's total will be calculated and displayed. Continue in the same way, dragging the plus sign down each time till all the calculation are done in G column. Now student, look at the formula bar. You will notice that the formula has been automatically displayed here. This happens whenever you click on a cell with a formula. The cell shows you the result while the formula bar shows you the formula. How to copy and paste the formula? Select cell G2. Click on the Home tab and choose the Copy option. Now student, click on the G8 cell. Click on the Home tab and choose Paste option. The formula is copied. Repeat the above step to copy the same formula in the other cells. Functions. A function is a predefined formula for performing a particular task. Excel provides many such functions to make your work easy. Some of the functions are described here. Sum. Formula is equal to sign, sum, starting cell, colon, ending cell. The function adds all the numbers stored in the selected cells. Type equal to sign in the cell to get the answer. Type the sum function with the left bracket equal to sum and then left bracket. Select the range of cells for which you want to calculate the sum and then close with the right bracket. Press the enter key to get the result. AutoSum. The AutoSum button automatically calculates the sum of the numbers. This is useful function which is normally used while entering values. Click on the AutoSum button on the Formula tab. In function library to calculate the sum of the numbers automatically without having to type a formula. No need to type a formula. To get the total of values based on some condition, SUMIF function is used. Here student we can give the condition. Formula equal to SUMIF, left bracket, cell range, condition and then close the right bracket. Example, SUMIF function with two arguments equal to SUMIF, left bracket, A2 colon F4, inverted comma double greater than 80 and close the right bracket. In example 1, from cell range A2 colon F4, only those cells which contain a value greater than 80 will be displayed in the figure. Okay students, here we can give the condition shows the greater than 80 marks. Okay, A2 colon F4. Now students, here we can type the formula and when we press the enter key, they show you greater than 80 marks. So only one column, one cell has 84 marks. Palak science. This will show in your answers. Students, SUMIF function with two arguments equal to SUMIF, left bracket, A2 colon F4, double inverted comma, Palak, B2 colon B4, close the right bracket. In the example 2, only those cells of cell range B2 colon B4 will be displayed which contain a value Palak in cell range A2 A4. Means students, here they show you the Palak B2 colon B4 marks only Palak. We can specify the name Palak. Palak marks will be Palak 68. Then result will be shown 68. Thank you.